Playlists allow you to bring together your content in an ordered and scheduled list, which can then be assigned to one or multiple devices across many locations. In this video, you'll learn how to create, manage, and schedule your playlist content so that it's ready to display on your screen. Let's get started. First, navigate to Playlists on the left-hand taskbar. Click the drop-down menu at the top of your screen to edit a current playlist, or select Add Playlist to start building one from scratch. As you can see, my playlists are organized using folders. We suggest creating a folder system if you're creating many playlists to keep them organized. Once you've selected or created a playlist, you'll see it open in the Playlist Editor. On the left side, you'll find an ordered list of your playlist pages. Simply drag and drop pages to change the order. In the center is the page preview, where you can see your currently selected page. On the right side is where you'll add or edit content on the playlist page. You'll see tabs with different types of content you can add, and once content is added to a page or zone, you can edit its properties from the right side. To create a new page, click Add Page. To add content to that page, you can select Apps, Media, Canva, Web App, WebShot, or select content from your shared folders. Let's add a shared app as an example. Once an app is added to a page, you can edit its contents from the right side toolbar. To display multiple pieces of content on one page, you can use playlist zones. Choose a zone template to section your playlist into multiple regions. Use zone padding to customize the size and spacing of your content, and set a background to make it look uniform. Simply drag and drop the zone borders to customize your layout even further. You can now display multiple pieces of content on a single page. When your page is ready, you can give your page a name, the duration your page will display for, and even set scheduling rules to determine when the page will display. You can even multi-select pages to apply these settings all at once. Be careful, if all your pages in the playlist are scheduled for a specific time, for example, Monday to Friday, there may be times when no page is allowed to display. Your device will show an error message if this is the case. To avoid this, set a default page, which will only show if no pages are available. The default page will be marked with a star. Under the Configurations tab, you can set things like transition animation, aspect ratio, page randomization, and even toggle kiosk interaction settings if you're displaying your playlist on a touchscreen device. With overlays, you can apply content that will display on top of your playlist pages. For example, you can add the page title, your logo, a clock, the weather, or ticker tape across the bottom of your page. You can also display custom image overlays or use our SDK to code your own HTML overlay. With themes, you're able to apply a uniform theme to your entire playlist. You can select from pre-existing themes in our library or create your own custom theme. Once your playlist is ready, it's time to assign it to a device. Assign a playlist to one or multiple devices, or multiple playlists to a single device. Head over to the Devices section to do so. Finally, you can click the Play button in the top right corner to preview what your playlist will look like on your display. Thanks for watching!